is up, everyone? Welcome back to Mileage Unknown. I know it's been a while since we've made a video. I don't know that we've been unmotivated, just a lot of craziness going on. But I'm super excited. We just picked up the engine for the Fastback. If you guys were wondering what was going to happen with that, it got fully rebuilt. It's now a 1776. It's still a single port, and we're doing what we can to keep it stock. I know we could have got more power out of it had we changed the exhaust and done something different with the carbs, but I wanted to keep it really stock looking for the car. And coming up next is a quick video of it just running on the stand, and that's gonna be it.